Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best Kitchenaid mixers in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Aucma Stand Mixer. Everyone's desire to have a mixer which is not only versatile but is absolutely eye-catching when it comes to design. Aucma Mixer is perfectly designed for hands-free mixing of different foodstuff ranging from light and airy egg white to sticky bread dough. It is one of the best multifunctional food mixer 2021, as it features 3 speed variations that are 1-3 for dough hook like bread and short pastry, 2-4 speed beater for medium-heavy mixtures like crepes or sponge mixture, and 5-6 speed whisk for light mixtures like egg white, cream, etc. Moreover, it features a LED light as a power indicator. Furthermore, it is very easy to install and uninstall bowls and other accessories just because of its tilt head design. It features a large capacity of 6.5 QD stainless steel bowl with handles on both sides. And most importantly, it features 4 silicone suctions cups at its bottom, so that it might not slip while functioning. Above all, it also has a splash guard with an access hatch that helps add ingredients during processing without creating a mess. According to our point of view, a mixer cannot get better than this. Number 2. Our second best pick is Kitchenaid Artisan Tilt Head Stand Mixer. Baking your favorite cakes and desserts isn't a hard task now, because Kitchenaid Artisan Tilt Head Stand Mixer is here to help you out in all mixing jobs. Now you can easily make baked bread and cookies for your beloved family with ease and comfort. First, let's talk about its sleek design. It is made with high-quality steel which can make it last longer for years. It has a sleek and compact space-saving design which takes less counter space. Moreover, it comes in a variety of colors and you can choose according to your choice. This Kitchenaid mixer cannot be beaten when it comes to functionality and capacity. It features a stainless steel bowl with a large capacity which can easily accommodate 7 pounds of mashed potatoes. It has a 325 watts motor with 10 speed controls to ensure thorough mixing of every foodstuff. Above all, it features 15 different attachments for grinding and mincing too. Additionally, it offers a 1-year manufacturing warranty and it is easy to clean and maintain. Number 3. Our third best pick is Kitchenaid Professional 600 Stand Mixers. Kitchenaid Professional 600 Stand Mixers, 6-quart, matte velvet blue is considered as best mixer 2021, as it can handle heavy and hard food stuff easily and conveniently. It has an elegant design and can be found in many different attractive colors, so you can choose according to your choice. It has a sleek and compact design, so it can easily fit in your kitchen cabinet too. Features a flat metal beater, a power-kneaded spiral dough hook and a 6-wire whisk which can help you knead, whisk and whip ingredients into culinary masterpieces easily and quickly. For more versatility, 15 attachments are included that can serve several functions. This best Kitchenaid mixers 2021 features 6 QD stainless steel bowls with large capacity which can easily handle dough of 13 dozen cookies, 8 loaves of bread and 8 pounds mashed potatoes in a single batch. Isn't it enough for a family? This bowl is also dishwasher safe and can easily be cleaned. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Kitchenaid Cordless Hand Mixer. Kitchenaid Cordless Hand Mixer is everyone's choice when it comes to cordless best Kitchenaid mixers 2021. It is designed with a powerful rechargeable lithium-ion battery, which gets charged quickly and gives its best performance. First of all, the Kitchenaid cordless mixer is designed to stand all on its own, lifting the beaters up and out of the bowl and workspace. It has an easy and soft start feature which brings the beater up to the selected speed gradually to help prevent ingredients from splattering. It has 7 speed controls to whip, whisk and knead food materials, it allows it to handle all types of foodstuff without any trouble. It can easily make up to 200 cookies when it's fully charged. Moreover, it is available in different colors and it has an elegantly sleek and space-saving design. Furthermore, it includes 2 dishwasher-safe stainless steel turbo beater accessories and 1 charger. It has most of those features that are not present in other cordless mixers. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Kitchenaid KSMSFTA Sifter. Kitchenaid Sifter Plus Scale Attachment, 4-cup, white is a perfect addition to your kitchen appliances. Simply attach the sifter to the power hub of any best Kitchenaid mixers 2021 and get all the mixing tasks done within no time. Experience hands-free sifting as the sifter gradually incorporates ingredients into the mixer bowl. Features a battery-operated scale too. Just because of this sifter, hands-free sifting with more consistency in fluffy baked goods, and above all, it saves time during the process. It measures ingredients by weight for a greater level of precision, which is a crucial part of successful baking. Moreover, it can also be used separately on your countertop with a scale plate. Its generous capacity hopper holds up to 4 cups of dry ingredients at a time. It includes a digital scale, ingredient hopper, removable sifter, sifting housing, swivel chute and scale accessory plate. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.